Hello, I wanted to show you an optional resource. It's not required because I know some students don't have the right kind of phone or memory available. Anyway, you want to download SkyView Lite. That's the app on the right. Okay, don't worry about Sky Live. SkyView Lite, all right? So if you open this app, what it does is it gives you like you can move your phone around. So I'm moving it to the right, I'm moving it to the left, I'm moving it straight up, I'm moving it straight down. And so you can move this around. And when you're what do you say? When the circle highlights that object, you can tap on it and it gives you some information about it. Okay, so that's Virgo. I don't know how to pronounce these constellations. If you click on that, oh, that's Mars, and so you can click on different objects around just to see where they are right now. It's daytime, so it's kind of funny that they show the Milky Way galaxy here and stuff. Okay, now what you can do is click this little magnifier glass in the top right corner, and you can search for example, Venus. Okay, and then you can click search on your keyboard, search. All right, I guess you have to click done, and then no, that didn't work. Let me try that again. Type in Venus, tap the so what did I do? Let me explain it in case you're stuck here also. So you type Venus, and then you want to tap from this list. There's only one item in the list where it says Venus, second planet from the sun above, right? So you click that. Once you tap that, then you have an arrow, and this arrow guides you. So I'm holding this up towards the ceiling of my office, and it's daytime, so it's kind of silly to even think about this. It's 10:33 a.m. right now, and that's where Venus would be. So I can't look at it, I can't observe it, okay? But if you come outside at different times of night, you're gonna see this arrow point around, and you can move your phone around, in your backyard to try to orientate it to the planet you're interested in. I'm gonna click the X on the very right, and then I'm gonna search for Jupiter, J-U-P, okay, there it is, Jupiter. So you click this, tap that choice, and now I can move my phone way over here. Oh, what's that, So you could just find different things, okay? This is a free app, and you don't need to pay for it. It's optional. It's just a resource for you to try to find out, hey, where is Jupiter, okay? If it says below the horizon, then you're not going to be able to see it, okay? All right, I'm gonna stop this video now.